Hey guys, it's your girl Melanie, and I'm gonna go over how I perm and relax my hair and show you guys, every little detail, and as well as how I flat iron it and achieve this look and healthy. And I'm gonna actually start a series on my hair and try to give it a break from wigs and see how that turns out. Here are the products that we will be using today, so stay tuned, guys. Let's get started. Look at my wig glue. Oh my god. Alright, so let's get the gloves on. And then next up, I'm going to show you guys what I base my hair with, which is the Affirm Fiber Guard. It is amazing, and I just get that all over my hair and from perimeter, especially around it. Make sure you saturate your hair, but not too much so that the perm penetrates enough. There's the perm. We're going to mix it. We're going to use the activator, which comes in the kit as well. We're going to fill the activator up to the resistance line. My hair is super thick and super hard to process. Affirm is probably the only perm that has really helped me to grow my hair as well as, to retain a perm. We're going to mix this up. It is going to come out a little watery. A little runny, and we're gonna use a brush. I don't use combs to apply perm. We're gonna really get that saturated and base it into the hair, especially at the back, because I haven't really been perming my hair. It's been a lot longer than 8 weeks right now. And then we're gonna just go ahead and go through and ensure you guys don't get the scalp too much. It's okay to touch it. What I do is I end up wiping out whatever touches my scalp too much, and you want to quickly try to get through. I honestly didn't get to go through this really quickly because my hair is super thick. It was so hard to part, and I didn't comb my hair out prior because it would have irritated my scalp, even though Affirm doesn't burn that much. And my hands were getting like super tired at this point. I think I was just like over it. It's a lot, trust me.
I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious that I'm in love with you.
Yeah, so this video took me a while. It was actually 28 minutes long. Even though the instructions says 8 minutes and application should be under 10, my hair, as you guys can see, it's extremely thick. I can't tell you what texture hair I have. I know I'm definitely 4C, but my hair, it takes a while to process. And Affirm is a lifesaver because honestly, I cut my hair bald. It's dance time. Look at that, guys. Hey, got a little move. All right, I'm back to applying, and we're just trying to get this in. Again, just use the brush, get it at the base of the new growth, especially the new growth, saturate it as best as possible. Then you get a comb like this one, and then you comb through. You don't get anything too much on the ends, but the fiber guard we put on there protected our ends. In the end, you're gonna see me comb through, but never, how do I put it? I comb it through, but not directly through to the ends. Never comb through to the ends. Just get the new growth and basically set the hair how you want it to be, especially if you want it super straight. You just take the comb and do exactly how you see me doing it. I don't comb through to the ends again. That is a bad idea. Dance time again.
But when me nice, I saw my one. Biggie out to Collins close. Knew my head chip up like the phone, and I'm a close. Me not live for please nobody. If I no pick, me not go pose.
Yeah, my hand was getting super tired. I had to do something. Alright, so we're just gonna comb it through, and we are basically done, I'm assuming. And I just rub a little perm, well, the remainder of the perm through my hair, get everywhere I think I didn't touch. And we're done. Get rid of the gloves, finally. Shampoo time. Neutralizing shampoo, conditioner, and we are gonna go ahead and tint our hair too, so we need some gloves to get the perm out. There's the tints, some glovey gloves, there we go. All right, so wash the relaxer out, make sure you get everything out. All right, and then can't forget the lace glue. Ugh, perm my hair with the lace glue in, yes. shampoo time. Alright, and I do wash it twice. Alright, always wash twice and get it really nice and lathered up. You know, pay some attention to your hair. I like this shampoo because it actually helps my hair too, especially elasticity. Then we're gonna tint. Here we are. I just rub it in all honesty. I don't have a whole method or technique to how I put a rinse in my hair. That is Jet Black from Tintation. Alright, comb that through. I'm gonna use a Scandal bag because I don't have a steam cap for 20 minutes. Here we are. Yeah, that's definitely processed. Look at that hair. Alright, so now we're gonna wash all of that rinse out and time to cut. Alright, so what we're doing is I'm just trimming my hair. I don't have a specific technique. What I do is I section out my hair and I do cut it. I did have a little base cut because I do get a little scissors happy sometimes. Yeah, we just cut all those, you know, stringy ends off. I don't want to call them dead because they aren't really dead. I just like to shape up my hair so it has some type of, you know, frame to it. At this time, I think it was, you know, like a bob. I had cut it in a few months back. I am growing my hair out from a pixie cut, so I still get scissor happy all the time. I think that's honestly why my hair stays healthy, because I'm not afraid to just cut some inches off if I need to. Like, honestly, I really wanted to go bald, but I'm trying to be a little bit more mature. So we're gonna blow dry our hair, get everything, you know, dry. I don't dry directly, especially not the roots that just got processed. I like to leave it damp just a little bit and I leave it overnight. There's my hair. Look at that. Yay. Look at that. Sharp ends. Ooh, look at my hair. Oh my god. Yes, I did start flat iron without you guys. There's a heat protector I use. Amazing, by the way. Gonna link it down below. Here's how I do it. Just 3 pumps on each stroke of the flat iron. I just basically apply heat protector and I just go through. I try not to apply too much heat. As you can see, my hair is smoking because of the heat protector, of course. Alright, I'm just gonna go through and keep flat ironing.
Just breathe over clean. Them can't keep up to speed. I will never have to compete. Ay, me and my friend, them good on it evident. Gucci cost a couple cents, spend it, make it back again. No girl from east side and no chicken head. You know the damn thing. This and see what I.
So we're watching it all come together. Look at that. There we go. And here we are, just sectioning off pieces, flat ironing. I do add just a slight little bump at the ends to give it that look. Look at that. I did use a hot comb to get little flyaways because I do thin out my hair just a little bit because it's super thick and it gets super annoying sometimes trying to get it, you know, all flat and not look too poofy and voluminous, if I said that word right. And we're just gonna keep flat ironing. I'm gonna show you guys the end result in a few. Keep watching. Alright, so we've reached the last few pieces. Pay attention to how I'm not really curving my hand. Just a quick flick of the wrist. Nothing too serious, nothing too deep. And we're almost done. Alright, so here is the finished look for my hair. I did go ahead and show you guys how to accomplish this look and how I relax my hair. I am going to go into how I wrap my hair and as well as how to treat it in upcoming videos, as well as I do have a video coming up next on how to do this makeup look. So subscribe and turn your notifications on and don't forget to follow the socials. Thank you so much for watching.